Hello folks, namaste and good afternoon. Good evening bhanda pani huncha, 5 bajisakyo. And I am on my way to Bhrikuti Mandap. And this is a vlog, and it's to update you all about the NADA stalls. One is the progress, and second thing is where you will find the brand that you are looking forward to experiencing while you are visiting NADA Auto Show. What I'm going to do is I'm going to inform you all about the stalls in the NADA Auto Show and which all brands are participating and what all variants they are about to display in the upcoming NADA Auto Show, which is starting from day after tomorrow. So what we'll do is we'll directly go to Bhrikuti Mandap and we'll start the information blog immediately, right? The gate work is done here already. Tata.ev presents NADA Auto Show 2024. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll park my car somewhere and then I'll start doing the talking. Yeah, that's the way we are coming from. What we'll do is we'll enter from the main door now. The work is on and it's going on in full swing. And the first stall here on the right hand side is Mahindra, I guess. Yes, this is Mahindra here. Generator ko awaaz aa raha cha. We've got opening ceremony stage that they're building here. They're constructing here. Here also the work progress is on. So when you get inside, this is on the right hand side. This one is from Hyundai. This is NADA's desk here. And after Hyundai, this one is from Chaudhary Group. Mostly they'll have Neta V and Neta's new vehicle that has recently arrived. It's another EV, so it'll be 3 EVs will be here, that's my guess. And Hyundai stall, they'll have, I'm sure they're gonna have Ioniq, Hyundai, Kona and Exter made in Nepal, Venue, all new Creta. Those will be the models that they are gonna display, that's my guess. This one is another stall, and this one is also from Chaudhary Group. Here, Ion Y from GAC, they've got one more model, one more variant that they've introduced recently. I think that will be the vehicle which they will be displaying here. This one is Ceres. They've recently launched Ceres EV in Nepal, and they also have a mini EV. I'm sure those two will be the main variant that will be displayed in this stall here. On the left hand side, if you see, these all are office space for the main stalls that we have on the right hand side. So this one is Dongfeng, the most recent launch. That's Nami 01. Nami cars will be displayed here. This one is from Leap Motors. They've recently, yesterday only, 2 of its variant got inside our Nepal border from China. And that will be Leap Motors C10 variant. And that vehicle will be launched during NADA Auto itself. This stall is a small stall, so 2 vehicles will fit in here. This one is the 3rd stall from Chaudhary Group. Chaudhary Group ko thupro stalls are here. Ritara bhanne pickup. They've recently only introduced that vehicle for Nepal market, and that will be displayed here. It's their office. And this one is... Yes, this is Kia, Korean brand. The first one was Hyundai that side, and now here it's Kia. They've got a big LED screen here. Kia, they will have EV9, EV6, I know that. That will be the attraction. Apart from that, Seltos. They've recently launched Seltos new variant also in Nepal market, so that vehicle also should be here. Apart from that, what vehicle they're gonna display, I have no idea. And in Citroen's stall, I'm sure they will have EC3 Shine, the new one. And maybe they will include a few internal combustion engine model also here, because they have few, I think. Tata. Here they'll have Punch EV, that's for sure. Nexon, I'm not sure. Tiago also should be there. Tigor also should be there. Apart from that, I'm not sure if they're going to display other petrol and diesel engine or not. We'll have to find out when we actually come and witness the NADA Auto Show. Okay, that's it for the main hall. Let's now go outside. Okay, what we'll do is we'll go towards bike stall now. Now bike, they've got a different space here towards the garden. That's the main hall that side. Let's go towards the garden area. And the first stall that you'll find when you're coming from the garden side is from Jumab. It's a brand called Jumab, Juumav or something, and it's from China. It's a dirt bike, it's a petrol bike. And what is this? I don't know. This looks like the place for coffee and momo. Okay, this is TVS stall. The work here is about to finish. Good job, guys. And some stalls, small stalls here. I don't know what it is. Let's move towards the main area. Okay, so when we get into here, we have got Ather. They'll have an electric scooter here. I don't know, they've got 3 different variants, I think. And on the right hand side, Kiko stall here. Pata nahi hai? So he has no idea about it. Huh? Scooter. Something is here which nobody has got idea. This one is Hero. They will be ready by tomorrow, that's for sure. The work is almost complete here. This is Aprilia. Okay, work progress is not bad. And what is this on the left hand side? No idea, man. Okay, here we go. Okay, Gogoro. It's an electric bike, electric scooter, I think. Battery top up garna milcha isma? Oh, yeah. Maile herea the tyo kasto review ma. You can swap the battery in this bike that's gonna get displayed here. And what vehicle they've got here? Yahan ki ho here? Okay, Triumph. That's a new launch for us, for Nepal. Triumph, they'll have 2 models, I'm sure. One will be Cafe Racer and one will be the regular one. Let's move ahead now. On the right hand side, we've got, what is this now? Royal Enfield, Himalayan. Are we expecting 450 this time? 450. Himalayan 450. That will be the attraction here. Of course, backdrop this goes, sir. And on this side, what is this? Here. Yes, CF Moto pani ine ho song hai. Okay, CF Moto and Jiho electric scooter. CF Moto 450 is something that everybody is waiting for, including myself. And that bike will be here. Yo kun ho yo? Ke ko stall ho yo? Yo ke ko? Tha chaina? Branding level. Yo ke ho tha timलाई? Vespa ta uta gaisakyo. Okay, then our guess should be this one is CF Moto and that one is Zio, maybe. Not sure, huh? Because GP Moto. Now what is GP Moto? I have no idea. Moving further, this side. Yo the Bajaj jasto cha hera ta Ashutosh. What is Johnson? Electric, huh? Johnson. Okay. I have little less idea about all this thing, guys. I'm so sorry. What stall is this now? This looks like... Oh, bro, you know? KTM, oh, yeah? Bajaj. Ani utya? Uyo, छैन यो मैले त यो बजाज भन्ठान राखे नीलो सेतो देखेर I am sorry, that was not Bajaj, guys. Now I don't know what it is. Blue and white is no more Bajaj. I don't know which brand it is. This one is from Bajaj. Okay, not bad. And this one is Yadia. They'll obviously have few variants from Yadia electric scooter. Yeah. So that's from the bike side. Here, this one is about components, I think, not secondary. Components. And I don't understand much of components. So what we'll do is let's go from that side. That side, it's four-wheeler. Okay, the first one on the right-hand side is Xpeng. It's a new EV. They'll have one car displayed here, which is getting launched during NADA Auto Show. It's from Xpeng. Okay, so the MAW and Chaudhary Group, MAW Vriddhi, I think. Two MAW Group and Vriddhi, Chaudhary Group, they are involved in this brand. Avatar, it's around 1 crore rupees. It's an expensive and exclusive premium EV. So moving forward, on the right-hand side, we can see this is Deepal from Chang'an. They have also a lot to do now. I hope they will be ready by tomorrow. So this is their office on the left-hand side. As we move further forward towards the right, we can see this is Zeekr now. Zeekr is also a new brand which is not launched in Nepal. They are going to launch the vehicle during NADA Auto Show. And I think they will have one variant. Zeekr X, one variant for our Nepal market for now. It's also exclusive. It's also premium SUV. And as we move forward, this one is KE from Lakshmi E-Mobility. They'll have 2 or 3, one X3 Pro, and then there will be 2 mini cars also. That's my guess. All electric here. And here we'll have Maruti Suzuki. And this stall you're not gonna find any electric vehicle. It will be all about internal combustion engine, mostly petrol. Suzuki Grand Vitara, Fronx, Jimny, yeps. So this one is BYD. Lights in here. I'm sorry for that, guys, but the stall work is almost done. I'm sure they will be ready by tomorrow evening. Almost here you can see Higer. It's a micro. They're gonna display 2 models, I think. I don't have much of idea about electric micros. This one is King Long. That's another EV electric van. Now this one, I don't know what it is. Timle thaha cha? Astos? Yo timle thaha cha? Yo pani Chaudhary Group ko bhanne sunya thiye मैले. Okay, light आयो अलिकति अब हेरिहाल्नुस्. यतिसम्म भएको छ हैन? Okay, this one is KYC. अब यो स्टलहरु अलमोस्ट सिमिलर छ. यो दुईटा त एउटै भेन्डरले बनाएको जस्तो छ, एउटै ब्रान्डको जस्तो छ त. कलरहरु हेर्दाखेरि. के को स्टल हो थाहा छैन. यो कमर्शियल नै हुनुपर्छ केही न केही. यप्स. अब यो के हो? ओके, कामा EV. यो यहाँ रहेछ त्रिवेणी मोटर. यो पनि रिसेन्टली लन्च भएको पिकअप टाइपको पनि रहेछ. डेलिभरी भ्यान पनि रहेछ. माइक्रो प्यासेन्जर भ्यान पनि रहेछ. ल गुड. प्यासेन्जर भ्यान ESP6, ESP7. फाइन. यो के रहेछ? ओके, Sokon. That's from Dongfeng. ओके, Sokon. यो पनि माइक्रो. Yeps. अब zoom अब यति नै होला. सक्यो हैन त ब्रो? So people, that's it. This video was just to update you all about the progress here at Nara Auto Show, which is starting from day after tomorrow. What I'm doing is I'm signing off for now. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Have a wonderful time. Stay happy. Bye-bye and ciao.